Let the good times roll with the Excelsior Band. Friday, February the 12th, 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. There will be a Mardi Gras story time and concert. You can participate on Zoom or watch live on Facebook. Miss Rose will share the story, This Jazz Man, introducing historical jazz musicians and instruments. The Excelsior Band, Mobile's own jazz man. You can meet the band. Mr. London will share some of the history of the band and information about their instruments. There will be music. The Excelsior Band will intersperse playing their famous music throughout the event. Let the good times roll. You're invited to participate on Zoom or watch live on Facebook. Friday, February the 12th, 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. See you then.